Sandali lang, bakit parang meron akong may kilabot? Wow! Okay, lahat magagawa basta merong tiyaga. Konnichiwa! Sabi nga ng buhok kong, ang bangs kong mukhang bunot today. Welcome to Tito Eman in Japan, and we have another reaction video. Ayan na nga, oh my God, 1 week tayong hindi nagkita, ano? But marami tayong hahabulin, pero uunahin muna natin ang latest ngayon, kakalabas-labas lang niya. At kanina nung nakita ko ang thumbnail, I was so excited to watch it. Pero sabi ko, teka lang muna, ihintayin natin mamaya because I want to share with you, mga kapamangkin at mga ka-18, ang aking first time watch reaction. Kaya panonoorin natin at magre-react tayo at magko-comment tayo sa performance video ni Josh Cullen para sa Grammy Spin. Ay grabe, Grammy Spin lang naman, hindi ba? YouTube channel lang naman ito ng The Grammys, ang Recording Academy, na noong una ay na-feature na si Philip or si Ken at ngayon naman si Josh. So 2 out of 5 na ang na-feature ng Grammys. And I'm really excited and proud, unang-una sa lahat, very proud. As an 18, syempre proud tayo sa mga endeavors ng ating mahalima, whether as a group or individually. Okay, kaya excited din tayong panoorin ito. Pero bago natin yan panoorin, meron muna akong confession, mga kapamangkin at mga ka-18. Alam nyo ba, ito, huwag kayong magagalit sa akin ha, huwag kayong magagalit. Pero it will get better. I promise it will get better. Nung umpisa, I was not really a big fan of Josh. Okay? I'm OT5. Pero I was not really a big fan of Josh. Hindi dahil silent basher ako ni Josh. Hindi dahil doon ha. Hindi dahil basher niya ako or anything. But I was more worried on how he's going to hold himself up together with the rest of the members whenever they perform together. Because we know that Josh's strength is dancing and rapping. But whenever he would sing songs like ballad parts na ibinibigay sa kanya sa SB19 songs, nun, lagi ako nagwo-worry. So, feeling ko nun parang, kaya ba Josh? Kaya ba? Kaya pa ba? Pero, he has proven himself time and again, and he has proven that there is nothing that effort, dedication, passion, talent, and genius cannot do. Okay? Lahat magagawa basta merong tiyaga at merong passion. Dahil ngayon, sobrang dami na niyang achievements and he has surpassed a lot of expectations. More of that later. Agree ba kayo sa akin? Huwag niyo kung magagalit sa akin. Ngayon, I really admire him so much. I admire him so much. Marami pa akong masasabi tungkol dun sa admiration na yan. So, mamaya pag-usapan pa natin kung ano pa yung mga dahilan kung bakit I admire Josh so much right now. But for now, manonood muna tayo ng kanyang performance. It's my first time reaction, first watch reaction. So, samahan ninyo ako sa kung ano man ang masasabi ko sa video ni Josh Cullen. Let's go!
Coming up on Global Spin,
Ayan na.
hip-hop and P-pop
Hip-hop.
powerhouse
Ooh,
Josh
P-pop
Cullen
powerhouse.
gives us an electric performance of Yoko Na. Reppin' the Philippines.
Philippines!
Give it up
Yes,
for
reppin'
Josh
the
Cullen.
Philippines. Here we go! Oh! May pa LED. Yes. This is looking good. He is recognized by the National Commission for Culture and Arts as a youth ambassador. He is. Come on. Oh. Yes. Come on, Josh. Hoy, sandali lang. Bakit parang meron akong may kilabot? Wow! Ang ganda nung reveal, 'di ba? Tapos yung LED reveal, yung lighting, it looks like a Grammy performance. That's what it is. Kaya ako kinalabutan kasi nag-expect ako na parang ano lang to, session, nakaupo somewhere, pero parang may production value siya, no? I love it sa umpisa. I'm already loving it. At saka ang ganda ng pasok niya, ang linis ng pasok niya, ang linis ng boses ni Josh Cullen, di ba? Let's continue.
Ang dami na masasakit na salita nang galing sa bibig.
Wa?
Sa dami mo sinabi
Wo-
parang di na
wo-
kaya pa na makinig.
Ang linis.
Hassle pag-uwi. Araw-araw
At live, ha?
di ko na malaman kung ano ba talaga.
Wow! Live! Ang linis ng live vocals niya dito.
Kung ano-ano na lang naiisip ko ngayon.
At ang ganda ng backdrop niya.
Nang ito nagsimula.
Ano ba to? Small room?
Pwede ba natin na ibalik pa yung noon? Alam naman yung
Yes, I'm grooving to it.
pwede tayo na lang mali. Di na ikaw ang gusto ko na makatabi.
Come on, Josh!
Lang walang masasaktan.
Oh my God! It's a flawless performance so far. Ganda nung backdrop, ganda nung visuals, ang ganda nung tunog. I can hear it clearly. I can hear him clearly. It's live, pero it's very, very malinis. Pinag-effortan.
Kung di maamin sa akin,
Kinaya.
ako na lang
Ba? May stage! Uy! May pa-plants! I love this! Wait lang. I just want to appreciate this, this angle. Akala ko parang single screen lang siya. Pero, it's like, alam mo yung parang sa Grammys talaga, yung parang, di ba, merong separate stages. Parang 3 stages yun eh. Habang inaayos yung kabila, may nagpe-perform dito habang sineset up yung kabila. Kaya 3 stages. Parang it looks like one of those Grammy stages na pinag-abalahan, pinag-designan, may production value, may budget. I'm loving this. Let's go. Hey! Nalilito ako. Wala na nga ba? Kung naman na mag-iis, ulit-ulit lang. Oh my God. Yun lang. Sinistop ko lang siyang ganun. Hey! 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 Oh my God! Puro ko oh my God kasi OMG talaga ako.
Huwag ka nang masang babalik.
Oh! Huwag ka nang umasang babalik. That was so smooth. Alam mo yun, yung alam mong wala siyang auto-tune pero para siyang merong alam mo kung ano na ang na-develop ni Josh over the years, yung talagang linis. Yung linis ng vocals. At saka si Josh, hindi ba yung merong mga rappers na bumubuga ng rap lyrics ng napakaganda, napaka-poetic. Si Josh naman, bumubuga siya ng rap lyrics na talagang may tono. Alam mo yon, hindi mo siya pwedeng gayahin na para ka lang nagra-rap kasi kailangan mong gayahin yung rap na merong tono. So, that's something that is very unique to Josh and that he has developed over the years. Props to you, Josh.
Baka matuluyang masira ang baet.
Oh!
Ko pumunang
Yes! Yes! We're vibing.
kumapit ng malungkot.
Hey! Ang ganda nung pagkakagawa ng backdrop. Sobrang laking tulong.
Ulit mo na rin ako nasaktan. Di ko na alam kung bakit nag-
Grammys? Grammys, no? Hey! Oh. Yun lang. Wait, I'm just in awe of this production. Not only I love this song, by the way. I love this song. Yoko Na, I love this song. Kasi, I'm not a very hip-hop person, pero, I like it when the hip-hop is blended well with pop. And this is one of those. Sobrang radio-friendly niya, listener-friendly. At ang sarap sabayan, ang sarap, it's so nice to vibe with it. And this kind of production with a live performance of this song is completing the experience for me. Yes. Come on. Ito yung parang ano, yung medyo upbeat yung song pero ang lungkot ng lyrics actually. Papalayo sa'yo, paalam na, di ba? Nalilito. Wala na ba? Sa'yo, sinubukan ko naman ang tiis. Wow! Wow! That sustain! That note sustain was so flawless. Kasing flawless nung gitarista. Charot. That sustain was flawless. Ang ganda. Tsaka alam mo, ngayon, napapansin ko sa mga productions, hindi na uso yung laging iniilawan yung mukha eh. Kasi kasama na yung silhouette, kasama na minsan yung dilim dun sa effect ng performance. And dito, we see enough of Josh, pero wala yung mga sobrang close-up. We see enough of Josh, and then we see his silhouette, and then we see his body moving. We see him dancing. Enough na yun para ma-affect tayo ng performance. Tsaka kasi, this video, it's not just all about Josh. It's about the whole performance. The whole performance is a package. And the package is packaging. The package is delivering. The package is being delivered with a punch. Oh! Sa'yo! Ang galing, no? I love that. Ay, may napahiga sa stage. Ang ganda ng performance na to. Tapos yung he ends on the floor with the spotlight and then it blacks out, tama? Oh, sabi ko na iba, magba-blackout nga. Oh, tapos ang nakalagay dun sa dulo, Recording Academy. Saan ka pa? Parang lahat ng gusto kong sabihin about the video, nasabi ko na during the video. Kasi nga first time reaction. First of all, sige, i-summarize na natin yung comments natin para makatulog tayong lahat. First of all, again, kanina nga sinabi ko that I was not a big fan of Josh before, but this is the reason why I am a big fan now. Because Josh has not only exceeded a lot of expectations, but he has proven time and time again how capable he is, not only as 1/5 of SB19, but also as a solo performer, creator, producer, writer, rapper. Arguably, Josh has some of the best singles sa kanilang 5. And some of the best videos too. 'Di ba? Nakita niyo naman yung Wild Tonight at saka yung isa pa niyang yung latest video, pati yung yung Yoko na, ang ganda-ganda rin ng video niyan, 'di ba? Madami, lahat, actually lahat. All his videos are really quality, and his solo songs are all a bop. Lahat talaga, ang ganda-ganda ng quality, how he mixes, how his songs are genre binding and easy to listen to, yet easy to vibe with, pero nandun yung feels. So it's a perfect formula for a song, 'di ba? Parang he has produced enough songs, pwede na siyang maging EP, 'di ba? Kaya hinahangaan ko siya ngayon because his ability to produce songs and his ability to collaborate, isa pa yan sa mga pinakahinahangaan ko, his ability to collaborate with artists. Kasi Josh is such a supportive artist to other artists. Kitang-kita natin yun, very, very kuya siya ng mga, alam mo yun, sumusulpot na lang siya sa mga videos ng mga baguhang P-pop groups na parang to support them. Tapos, kaya he's also supported very much. And the way he looks for collaborations that really fit his style and fit his vision, sobrang galing. Kaya I admire him right now. At saka alam nyo ba, meron akong isang very, very interesting na discovery kasi a lot of my friends who are casuals, not necessarily 18, pero casual supporters sila, they like SB19. They're not necessarily 18, but they like SB19 casually. Pagka pinapakita ko sa kanila yung mga SB19 performances, pag tinatanong ko sa kanila, sino ang favorite nyo dyan? Siguro, most of the time, si Josh ang pinopoint out nila. Kasi sabi nila, ang gwapo kasi niya, ang ganda ng mukha, tapos parang ang angas. Ganun lagi ang sinasabi nila. And I get that. I understand that kung bakit gusto ng mga tao si Josh. Kaya, no doubt, di ba? He's really held his own ground and his worth and his power and his influence now and his relevance cannot be questioned and will not waver for a very, very long time. Di ba? At it's proven again by this performance video that made it to the Recording Academy's YouTube channel. So maraming salamat po. Ano ba ang tingin ninyo sa mga naging comment ko? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let's start a discussion down below. Sabihin nyo kung ano pa yung opinion niyo tungkol dito sa video na ito. Okay? In the meantime, enjoy your weekend, enjoy your days, and enjoy admiring, sharing the love for SB19, of SB19, with SB19 to the whole world. Maraming salamat po. This has been your Tito Eman in Japan. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye!